Hi, MAT exam paper-based test was conducted last week, 9th March 2025. So this video will have exam review about the past paper. Students who are applying or taking the MAT exam in the CBT mode on 23rd March, this exam review will be useful for you. We have also given another video related to exam instructions, how much duration you have to take for each section. All these details are given in that previous video. The link is there in the description. Please see that video before taking the CBT exam. It will be really useful for you. Let us see this exam review. Language comprehension, the first section seems to be a very easy level section. It was easy to moderate, almost easy. Like many students said, this section was an easy one. And as expected, there are only 2 RC passages as it was in the December test. There were 8 to 10 questions. Para-jumble 5 questions were there. So you know what is para-jumble? Like there will be jumbled sentences. You have to arrange the sentences to make it a meaningful paragraph. Okay, idioms 3 questions were there, and vocabulary around 10 questions were tested. Okay, so you can download this vocabulary list we have, which we compiled from the previous year papers. This MAT vocabulary list you can download from our website. I'll give the link in the description. You can download from there. It is just a compilation of previous year papers. There is a chance for repetition, that's all. Okay, and next section was critical reasoning. This was also a very easy section for almost many students said they attempted good number of questions for critical reasoning, and it is a mixed question types. There were all types of questions like statement, conclusion, assertion, reasoning, blood relations testing, direction testing, classification, seating arrangement. Almost every type of question were asked, and this was easy to moderate level, and most easy I can say. These are the 2 sections which made up the students marks I think for this PBT test. These 2 sections were very easy. The next one, data interpretation and sufficiency. Some unexpectedly said data sufficiency, they had 15 questions also. So 5 to 15 was the numbers I got from different students. So data sufficiency, you can expect little more questions than the usual 5. Okay, so be prepared for that. Comparing quantities, about 5 questions. There were all types of graphs in different versions of the paper. Okay, pie charts were normally easy, they said. The graphs were not too hard, it was easy to interpret. Okay, and this was a moderate difficulty level section. Okay, so the 3 sections went well for most of the students actually, right? Language comprehension, critical reasoning, and data interpretation went on good. Okay, so before moving to the next 2 sections, we have a test series, a complete test package which can be your last milestone preparation if you're looking for a test series, okay, which has previous year papers as well as mock exams as well as section level test. You can check the description, we have given the link over there. The next 2 sections seems to be a little difficult. Okay, mathematical skills. As expected, there were only arithmetic topics. Most of the questions were arithmetic topics like percentage, ratio, rates, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest. These were the topics highly tested, which is as expected. Okay, but there were more ratios and rates questions, and rates questions seems to be very difficult. And overall difficulty level of the maths section was moderate to high. Okay, some of the students said it was good, like questions were known, but it was time consuming, and some of them said it is very difficult also. Okay, and the last section was totally unexpected. I mean, we expected that it is going to be current affairs, but current affairs also it seems to be very difficult ones. Okay, many students said it is moderate to difficult, moderate to high difficult, and all the 30 questions were related to current affairs, related to economics and business, and it is very recent ones as well as some a little older, not very old, maybe some 6 months older current affairs were also tested. Sometimes some of the sections will be little hard only, little difficulty level would be high, but don't worry about that. Okay, just try to see how you can make up that with the easy ones. Okay, so in this PBT mode also, the first 3 sections, language comprehension, critical reasoning, and data interpretation, were easy ones, and these 2 were hard ones. Okay, don't get stuck with this. So if it is difficult, just keep moving, see what the best you can do. Okay, try to make up the number from the other sections which is easy. And this video is just to give you a heads up on what has been covered for the PPT and how you can prepare for the CBT mode, which is on the 23rd March. Current affairs you have to prepare. Look into that and go through the video also which we have given for the test instructions. I'm sure it will be useful for you. All the best for your CBT exam. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.